Yo, what's up?
I'm not gonna use on.
It's Colin's car.
Yes,
I don't know. That's not the same fucking Subi that be at the place in front of you. That's Courtney's. What the fuck these motherfuckers in the cut and shit?
I can still play golf. All the people complaining about Ford starting issues like you wanna know how much my car?
I don't know why this shit cut off at first, but yo. I just want to know who fucking car this is. Fucking. Oh, good vibes.
Shut up, George. I said, you know what? Why don't you bring that out?
Hold up. Maybe. I'm trying to figure out where the fuck he is. Where the fuck did he go? So I found out whose car it is, but I don't want to go over there because it's a dude. You know how dudes are and shit. No, dude. No, they're cool. But look at the homie's car.
Damn straight. Damn right.
Oh, you heard that for real? Honda. That's the homie's car right there. This a little Asian kid. Hold up, is that you have no balls? Hold the fuck up. Where? Okay, is this? Hold up. Wait the. Okay, what the fuck? I know his car. Where the fuck? Where the fuck is she then? Alright, so now. Yo, this shit is like sucks in low light. So like. Yeah. So like now we go Casey hunting. She might be over there. Oh shit. Oh, it's in low light. This thing's nice. I'm sorry, I just got a love for Hondas. It's my weakness. Ooh. Oh. Hey, come back. No. I want the Acura. Come back. Oh, it's activated.
Hold on.
Huh? This shit is fucking insane. Like it's two of them. Well, not two. Oh, here we go with this parking. What the fuck? What is this? Look, look, look. Gang, 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 gang. She parked next to Babe. Hey, hey. Did he fucking air it up yet? No? That shit is clean as fuck. But it's all about this. And this. It doesn't matter.
Only time I don't mind being on the ground is when I'm on a roller coaster. I love that.
What's up, banana? Where the hell is this banana suit? Oh.
He treats his body like a temple, you treat your
I'm too cold, bro. Relax.
Look at these sexy mans. No hetero.
I don't know. It's like Mike is like,
And it's the
kinda
women's.
like the ideal family
It's the
in a
women's.
movie and shit like that. Pretty much.
Hold up. Oh shit! I was looking for your ass. What's up? What's up? Oh shit! Hey, no! Don't look, y'all. She got raspy. What the fuck? He tried to hit me. You saw that? He tried to hit me. Oh, hold on. You gotta shout yourselves
You
out.
gotta go down there now? You gotta go down there now?
Right. Shout out. No shout outs.
Shout out to the gang. You know.
Oh, now you want to be on camera,
Shout
yeah.
out to the gang. Lady driven DMV.
What
You
the
gotta do
fuck?
twirl and everything. Fresh move, baby.
No, yeah, no,
Shout
no.
out to Maryland GCO. You know, Genesis Coupe Gang. We not
If you don't know, follow the homie. Right here.
Where? No invite?
Let me just eat one more slice and then we can race.
I didn't know he was gonna come, cause he never really come like that.
He probably found out tonight's the last night and decided to.
Look at him,
Came down here like maybe a couple months ago.
coming all late and shit.
Hey,
Why are you late?
because I was at home playing Need for Speed Payback.
I haven't got that good.
It's a fucking awesome ass.
Oh, this is a new fucking paint job and shit too.
Not wrong.
I only like S2000s and NSXs.
Yeah, I'm an NSX fan too myself, but I mean, if somebody handed me the keys to the
What? Turn his lights off.
I'd drive
What the fuck?
No, if someone handed me the keys to a new fucking Acura NSX, I'm driving that bitch all the way to fucking Texas.
No, I think that's my neighbor.
I'm talking to my buddy, hey, look what I got.
Why would I drive it?
I'm about to just fucking walk around and know what the fuck they're doing. So,
Buddy of mine sees him, he wants to drive one.
yo, this dude's been here for like a minute. So, we have confirmed this is the same dude from here. I almost ran into the thing. See? Space. Oh shit! What the fuck? This motherfucker. Trying to get these fuckers to go to motherfuckers.
Exactly, you know what it's called?
Go to Mexico!
Japanese Classics in Virginia.
Yeah. No, Japanese Classics in Virginia does not do 34s yet.
I know they don't. They do a different version of it. Which the only version is going to be close to is the R33.
No, Japanese Classics does 32s and 33s right now. But that's
I know they do.
You
It's
want a
banana!
34, you got to go to Florida.
I know you do.
I'm coming. Hey, get that Miata. Look at the lights. Angry Miata. The angry Miata.
Yo, that shit looks tight as hell too. That looks like a human face. This nigga's crazy as shit.
Try to do it.
Banana!
Send up a tune.
No.
Oh!
Gotcha.
She's crazy as shit. Yo, this shit.
It's not that great.
Probably light. Shit is great. Look, it's like 40 degrees or something. Probably lower now. And we're out here eating like ice cream. And they fucking revenue shit. And these people, they don't like me screaming about Team Honda and VTEC and all that shit. Where the fuck did Witchcom go?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.